Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound at your home. This is your Sapna teacher. So, are you ready for your session? Yes? Okay, let's begin. Today's subject is English grammar, and the topic is pronouns. Do you remember this topic, children? This we have done in our previous session. So, this is a recap session. So, let's begin, children. Children, read this sentence. Read what the children say. Now let's see who are the children and what they are saying. Okay? See this? This boy, what he is saying? I am Ashok. This boy is talking about this girl. You are Tina. In this picture, again the boy is talking about the girl. She is Anu. Here, the girl is talking about the boy. He is Ali. Now, children, what you understood from this? Yes, here you can see the pronoun word which is used like I, you, she, he, right? So, the same word we are going to see further how you can use in the sentence. Okay? Next. Now, first, let me tell you what is pronoun. A word used in place of naming word. Now, children, do you remember naming word? Yes? Naming words means noun. Name of a person, name of an animal, name of a thing, name of a place. Right? See the picture? Mother, father, cow, pig, table, book, school. So these are all naming words. But in pronouns, you are not going to use naming word. What you are going to use? Let's see. He. You are going to use he for boy, man. She for girl, for woman. It you are going to use for animal or anything. You, when you are going to speak about someone, you are going to use the word you. They, when there are group of people and you are speaking about them, so they. I, when you are speaking about yourself, that time I. We, when a group of people talking about themselves, that time we. Okay? So these are the words which are called pronouns. Okay? Next. Now children, here you are going to learn what is singular pronoun and what is plural pronouns. Now in our previous session, you have done singular and plural. Right children? Singular means what? A single person, single animal, single thing, single place. Right? And plural means what? More than one person, more than one thing, more than one place, more than one animal. Right? So let's see what are singular pronouns and what are plural pronouns. Can you see the picture, children? So based on this picture, first I will show you what are the singular pronouns. I means the single person when you are talking about yourself. So you are the single one. So I. He, when you are speaking about one boy, that is he. So single person. She, when you're talking about a girl, single girl, she, so that is singular pronoun. It, when you're talking about any one thing, any one animal, so it. You, when you're talking about one boy, one girl, okay, single one, so you. So these are all singular pronouns: I, he, she, it, you. Now let's see the plural pronouns. We, a group of people, okay, group of people talking about themselves. That time we all are going to picnic. So we. So there are more than one people. So we. They, when a group of people, when you are talking about them, okay, they are going for a picnic, right? So there are more than one people, so I am using they. You. Now you can see, children, in singular pronoun also you can use the word you. Even in the plural pronouns also you can use the word you. That means when you are talking to one person, that you are a boy, that time also you can use you. And when you are speaking to more than one person, you all are my friends, so that time also you can use you. So remember, children, whether it is a singular pronouns or whether it is a plural pronouns, you is common in both the side. Okay? Next. Now read this sentence. Read these pairs of sentences and note the words in green. So here I am going to show you some sentences and how you are going to use the pronoun in that sentences. Okay? Start. First, see the picture. Based on this picture, my sentences. This is Rohan. Okay? He plays with toys. Now see, first sentence is about this boy Rohan. So this is Rohan. Second sentence also is about this boy only. He plays with toys. Okay? So Rohan is a boy. So in second sentence I have used he. Okay? You don't have to repeat the name in every sentence. You have to use pronouns. Next. Now see this girl. Let's start the sentence. This is Geeta. Okay? She likes to sing. Now this picture, this girl, I am speaking about her. This is Geeta. Second sentence also I am speaking about her only. So I am not going to use again Geeta. I am going to use she, because Geeta is a girl. So she likes to sing. Okay? Next. See this picture? This is a picture of house. So this is a house. Next sentence. It has a chimney. Now second sentence also I am speaking about house. So it, I am using it because this is non-living things. This is neither he or neither she. So here you are going to use it. Okay? Next. See this girl? Let's talk about this girl. My name is Sana. Now this girl is talking about herself. My name is Sana. I go to school every day. When you are speaking about yourself, you have to use the pronoun I. Right? So see the second sentence. I go to school every day. Next. Now see this picture, children. Two boys are there. Hello, Arav. Now one boy is speaking to the another boy. Hello, Arav. You have a nice name. Now this boy is telling to this boy, you have a nice name. You. Okay? Next. See this picture? Father, mother, brother and I went for a picnic. Okay? Next sentence. We had a great time. That means you are speaking about your family. That my father, my mother, my brother, myself, we all went for picnic. We had a great time. You are using the pronoun we. Why? Because more than one persons are there here. Okay? Next. See this girl? She is having two pet animals. This is Tutu and Mia. She is telling the names of her pets, Tutu and Mia. They are my pets. Now more than one animals are there here. So she is using the word they. They are my pets. Okay. So children, have you understood the recap of this lesson? Yes? Good. So, bye bye. Take care. We'll see you in the next session. God bless you, children.